Hi, this is Margaret Byrd and welcome to Color Quest. Today's video is going to be short but sweet, a final look at indigo using the indigo vat that I have been showing here for the last month on Color Quest, as well as some fresh leaf indigo from this past fall that was harvested at the color farm. I figured I would combine these two beautifully different indigo colors together in one quick project and just share those results with you. If you missed last week, we looked at a shibori technique with the same two indigos, that being fresh leaf and vat indigo, and the results were beautiful. I thought it would be great to mix them up on one piece of textile. So join me today as we look at how you can dip dye in an ombre fashion using the amazing colors of indigo. And if you're curious about how to process fresh leaf indigo or build your own indigo vat, I've had videos here that you can find in the library in order to follow along to create those two dyes so that you can do today's project. Go check those out and then let's get started with some dip dyeing. such an easy process to combine those two beautiful bluish colors from indigo. I still can't decide which indigo I prefer to work with. There's something about using your hands to process the fresh leaf that is really special, and I strongly encourage you to try that out the next time you have fresh leaf available to you where you are. And of course, Vat Indigo is something that you can be learning about probably for your entire life. It is truly a spiritual practice, and I am so excited to be nurturing my own vat here in my dye studio now. So try them both. I thought the colors looked beautiful together, and although I only used the fresh leaf indigo for about 3 dips and oxidations, the Vat Indigo I actually dipped and oxidized probably close to 10 times. I went back in several times, would put my textile further in and then back out, trying to eliminate any stark line changes with the different blues. And I really liked how it built up over the top of the fresh leaf as well. So I'm pretty happy, and now I have this really awesome bag to bring for my fruits and vegetable shopping at the farmer's market in the summertime. So after several videos here with a focus on indigo, we are going to wrap that up. We will revisit indigo throughout the course of 2022. But now, in the beginning of February, starts a special Instagram challenge that has been going on for several years. It's called the 100-Day Project, and you can go to their website to sign up, as well as join the community over on Instagram. Hashtag the 100-Day Project is a challenge that I have been fortunate enough to do the last 2 years. I would like to share both of those journeys with you here on Color Quest, in case it might be something that you would like to try within your own creative practice. Last year, I worked on a project called the 100 Days of Natural Dye, where every day for 100 days, I did take a few breaks in there, I looked at a different dye source from nature. So next week on Color Quest, I thought it would be fun to look at 100 different ways in which you can find natural color. It certainly sparked a lot of curiosity in myself, as well as so much fun investigating and exploring different dye matters within my dye studio. So join me next week as we look at that, and I will also show you an incredible resource that I made from that project last year, and that is the 100 Days of Natural Dye poster. More about that next week. I hope you are enjoying your dye studio, or simply following along here to get some inspiration into the natural world of color. Look forward to seeing you next Friday on Color Quest. The past 2 years, I have done the 100-Day Project. Is it the 100-Day Project? Okay, I better stop this because I don't remember.